costume. I will use this 20 by 20 by 20 inch cardboard box. I will use some glue along with some duct tape and construction paper. So I'm going to continue to make the outline of the Rubik's Cube with duct tape. This side. So like that's good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I can cut it for you. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to work on this side of the cube. Box, and then I cut out a circle to put my head through, and then I used duct tape to trace the outline of the cube. Next, I will take construction paper and glue each color to each individual square. This box is 20 by 20 inches, so I cut out 6 by 6 inch squares to fit into each individual square in the Rubik's Cube. So I cut out squares for every single color on the Rubik's Cube except for white, because this side is where my body will be in. So I'm going to put these squares in all 9 spots to see where I want them to be placed. After that, I will lift up the flaps and put glue and put them down. I just need to trim off these edges so my head can fit. So this is my completed Rubik's Cube. I cut 2 holes in the side for my arms. Let me put it on for you to see how it looks.